is the day 18 of my 21-day water fast, and this morning I went out and spent time in my garden already, and I feel very very calm, very relaxed, very soothed and comforted. So that is how I started out my morning today. Is I spent time in the garden, spent time with some affirmations, and so I feel good. I'm going to go ahead now and jump on the scale to see where I am at today, and then I'm going to head out, not to do too much just because I am working tonight, but I want to just go, and I have to drop off 3 packages in the mail to ship them out, and then I'm going to just maybe go take a look real quick at the garden shop and see how much it is for a tiny bag of soil, because I do want to start some more plants that I can companion plant with some of the other ones that I have. And yeah, just today just feel like relaxing. Oh yeah, in yesterday's video I was talking about how I had a symptom and I could not remember what it was that was going on, and pretty much it was actually a couple of symptoms that I wanted to report, and it was actually for day 17 yesterday. One is I've had a ton of gas, belching a lot, so it must be sucking in air, trapping air or something, that's just coming up in that form, lots of belching. Also, what I have going on is I experienced 2 times yesterday where when I was standing up or getting ready to stand up, actually not even all the way up on my knees, I had to sit back down because I kind of felt that lights out feeling. So I was about to pass out. My blood pressure dropped. And so I had to get down low again and just kind of wait for that feeling to pass. It's that very super warm feeling in your head, and darkness starts to fall over your eyes. So yeah, so I have experienced that, getting up maybe a little bit too fast, my blood pressure dropping down really low, and so I had to just calm down a little bit and then wait for that feeling to go away. So those were the symptoms that I wanted to report from yesterday. Right now in the morning on day 18, I'm feeling pretty good. Like I said, it could just be that I'm in this total mind zen state because I spent so much wonderful time in the dirt this morning, but I will keep track of it, all of my symptoms today, so that I can remember to say them later on this evening. Okay, here I am on day 18, 326.0, 326 pounds, 0.0. So it is the end of day 18, and I thought that there was going to be more symptoms to report, but honestly, it's the same symptom. It's just a little bit of kind of a worn out feeling at the end of the day, and also a little bit of that stomach queasiness. So that is all that I have to report right now for the end of day 18.